How to change profile picture of Facebook without posting. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on your name at the top. It will lead you to your profile. Click on Add a Profile Picture, which is camera-like button, and at the bottom, click on Choose Profile Picture. Simply select picture from your gallery. You can edit picture in here as well. Then click on Save, located at top right corner of your screen. After that, your profile will open. Reload it and scroll down. Click on three dots at the top right, which is Updated Profile Picture. Then click on Edit Privacy at the bottom. And then choose Only Me, and then click on Save at the bottom. After that, you're good to go. This is how to change profile picture of Facebook without posting. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.